Hello from Gardening at Douentza in Ireland, and this is a quick video to tell you what's coming up next on my channel. So soon enough you're going to have a greenhouse video where I talk about all the plants I have in my greenhouse this season, and that will be followed by a video on overwintering and sete bananas. But it'll touch on overwintering and sete bananas, but the main focus of the video is radical propagation of that banana, and it's going to be quite fun, so check out that. It's going to be a load of fun. There'll also be an orchids in spike video coming up soon, and some information on the grow light I have for my Cattleyas indoors. But the really exciting thing that I want to tell you about is the live streaming that's happening on October the 28th, where I'll be live streaming with Dimitri from the Green Nerd channel. And it's a bit unorthodox because what we're going to do is each has 3 questions for the other, but they're unscripted. We don't know what the other person is going to ask, so it'll be a bit impromptu and a whole load of fun, I hope. So do check back for that, and I'm going to put up an information with the times nearer the date, but this is just to give you a heads up of what's coming. So that will be next Sunday, the 28th of October, here on my channel. And of course there'll be lots of videos from my recent trips to the Azores, where I saw some amazing gardens. Look out for the Terra Nostra garden. It really was the most fantastic place, full of glorious tree ferns and everything. Okay, that's all for the moment. Thanks very much for watching. Please do subscribe and check back for lots more plant fun. Bye.